The Samsung Galaxy A36 5G is shaping up to be a great addition to Samsung's mid-range smartphone lineup, offering a lot of features that promise a great user experience without costing too much. Let's take a closer look at what makes this phone so exciting. First, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A36 5G is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, a processor designed to handle everyday tasks and multitasking easily. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or switching between apps, this chipset ensures smooth and efficient performance. It's a solid choice for users who need a reliable phone that can keep up with their busy lives. Next, let's talk about the display. The Galaxy A36 5G is rumored to have a 6.64-inch Super AMOLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution. But what really stands out is the refresh rate, which is expected to be between 90 Hz and 120 Hz. This means smoother scrolling, more responsive touch input, and an overall better viewing experience. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or just scrolling through social media, this display is designed to impress. When it comes to cameras, the Galaxy F36 5G doesn't disappoint. It's rumored to have a 50-megapixel main camera, which should let users take detailed and high-quality photos. While we don't know all the details about the other sensors yet, it's safe to assume that Samsung will include a versatile setup to handle different types of photos, from wide-angle shots to close-up macros. This makes the A36 5G a great option for anyone who loves taking great photos. Battery life is another area where the Galaxy F36 5G shines. The phone is expected to have a large 5000 mAh battery, which means you can go through your day without worrying about running out of power. And when you do need to recharge, 25-watt fast charging support means you'll be back up and running quickly. It's a combination that offers both long battery life and convenience. Design-wise, the Galaxy A36 5G stays true to the A-series signature style. It has a modernized camera module and a sleek, ergonomic design with a slim profile of just 7.4 millimeters thickness. This not only makes the phone look good, but also ensures it feels comfortable in your hand. Samsung has clearly put thought into balancing looks and practicality, making the A36 5G a phone you'll be proud to show off. Now let's talk about its sibling, the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. This upcoming mid-range phone takes things up a notch, combining premium features with affordability. Here are its top 5 standout features. First, the display. The Galaxy F56 5G has a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED screen with Full HD Plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. This means vibrant colors, deep contrast, and smooth visuals, whether you're scrolling through your feed or playing games. Under the hood, the Galaxy A56 5G is powered by Samsung's Exynos 1580 processor, built on a foreign architecture. This chipset is designed to deliver efficient performance, making multitasking and running demanding apps easy. It's a step up for users who need a bit more power from their mid-range phone. The camera system on the Galaxy A56 5G is another highlight. It has a triple rear camera setup, including a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. This versatile setup lets you capture everything from wide landscapes to close-up details with ease. Whether you're a photography fan or just someone who loves taking great photos, this camera system has you covered. Battery life is equally impressive, with a 5000 mAh battery that supports 45-watt fast charging. This means you can stay connected all day and recharge quickly when needed. It's a feature that ensures you're always ready to go, no matter where your day takes you. So what do you think about these upcoming phones? Do you think they'll live up to the hype? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest in tech. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Could Apple be preparing to introduce its most budget-friendly iPhone yet? A recent post from Tim Cook has sent shockwaves through the tech community, sparking a flurry of speculation. Is the much-anticipated iPhone SE 4 finally making its appearance, or is Apple planning to surprise us with something entirely new? On February 13, Tim Cook shared a cryptic message on X stating, "Get ready to meet the newest member of the family." Wednesday, February 19, while he didn't specify any particular product, the tech world has quickly jumped to the conclusion that this could be the long-awaited iPhone SE 4. The timing of this announcement coincides with rumors circulating for weeks that Apple might unveil this new device soon. However, as always with Apple, nothing is confirmed, leaving us to wonder if there's more to the story. This tease came just a day after Apple took an unexpected step by launching the Apple TV app on Android devices. This move marks a shift for the company, signaling its intent to expand beyond the Apple ecosystem and attract new users. While the Android app release generated some buzz, it wasn't the major reveal many were hoping for. Some speculated that the iPhone SE4 would be unveiled on February 12th, but instead, we saw the Apple TV app make its debut. Now, with Cook's latest message, the spotlight once again shifts to the potential iPhone SE lineup. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, a respected Apple analyst, weighed in on the post, suggesting that Cook's use of the phrase newest member of the family could hint at more than just an iPhone SE update. It's possible Apple is planning to rebrand the SE series or introduce a completely new category of affordable devices. If this is the case, it could represent a shift in Apple's strategy for its lower-cost smartphones. If the iPhone SE4 is indeed the star of the show, it's expected to come with a number of exciting updates. One of the most significant changes could be the removal of the traditional home button, marking a transition to Face ID for the SE series. This would align the device with Apple's more premium models, giving it a more modern feel. Additionally, rumors suggest that the SE4 could sport a fresh new design, potentially borrowing elements from the iPhone 14. It could also feature integration with Apple Intelligence, a suite of artificial intelligence-powered enhancements aimed at improving everything from photos to Siri interactions. However, Apple isn't stopping with just the iPhone SE4. Alongside it, there are whispers of another upcoming device, the iPhone 17 Air. This model is rumored to be the thinnest iPhone Apple has ever created, featuring a powerful A19 chip and a single-lens camera system. Some believe this device could replace the iPhone 17 Plus, offering a streamlined design while still delivering the power and performance that Apple is known for. However, this device is expected to be released later in the year, making the February 19 event a focal point for the tech community. As we eagerly await the big announcement, the question remains, what exactly will Apple reveal? While the iPhone SE4 seems like the most likely candidate, Apple has a knack for keeping its plans under wraps, and there's always the possibility of a surprise product. Could it be a new Apple Watch, a completely new device that no one saw coming, or perhaps an updated version of an existing product, redesigned for the future? Whatever the outcome, it's clear that the February 19 event will be one to watch. Apple's carefully orchestrated teases always stir up excitement, and this time is no different. Whether it's the redesigned iPhone SE4 or an entirely new product, this announcement has the potential to set the stage for the company's next big move. What are your thoughts on Apple's upcoming reveal? Do you think it's the iPhone SE4, or could Apple have something else in store? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on the latest Apple news, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Samsung Galaxy S25 users have encountered an unexpected issue when taking photos, unwanted horizontal or vertical lines appearing in their shots. This problem, commonly known as banding, has left many frustrated, especially when capturing images in low light conditions. Reports from Reddit and Samsung forums indicate that this issue is widespread, affecting multiple models, including the premium Galaxy S25 Ultra. Despite its powerful 200-megapixel camera, even this high-end device isn't immune to the problem. Users have noted that night mode often introduces streaks of light or dark bands, while strong lighting and high-contrast environments seem to worsen the effect. Interestingly, switching to expert RAW mode or using third-party camera apps appears to eliminate the issue, suggesting that Samsung's image processing software may be responsible, rather than a hardware flaw. The first mentions of this issue came from a Galaxy S25 owner who noticed a recurring thick line with an unusual color in their photos. As more users started reporting similar experiences, it became clear that